Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this video, we're gonna look at how to change your visibility from private to public in Upwork. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface, and right now we simply want to change our visibility from private to public. Now let's focus on that. At the top right, you will find your profile image. That's your profile icon. Simply click on it. Then this page will open up. Well, as you can see, here's profile, stats and everything. But right now, what we need to do is simply go to account settings. Once you're in the account settings page, initially, you'll be in contact info. What we need to do is simply go to profile settings, the buttons in the user settings tab, and it's just below my profile. I'm gonna click on the profile settings button right here, and this will open up. Well, right here, as you can see, here's visibility and project preference. If you scroll down, you can see other things as well, but right now we're only gonna focus on visibility. Just below visibility, here's a drop down button like this. Simply click on it, and from here simply select public. And guys, that's it. That's how we change your visibility from private to public in Upwork. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.